Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many Instagram users want to upload horizontal videos. But when they select the video, it looks vertical in the preview. Because of this, people think Instagram does not support horizontal videos. If you are facing the same confusion, do not worry. I will show you how to upload a horizontal video on Instagram correctly. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap on the plus icon at the top left. From the options, make sure you tap on Post. Next, select the horizontal video you want to upload. After selecting the video, you can edit it if you want. You can add text, filters, or make other edits here. Now tap on Next. At this stage, the video may look vertical on your screen. This is only a preview and not the final result. When you post the video, it will keep its original horizontal format. Now tap on Share. After posting, check your profile. You will see that the video is uploaded in horizontal format. That is how you upload a horizontal video on Instagram. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Instagram tips and app troubleshooting videos.